If you believe on yourself, you can be a champion. But if you don't have a belief on you, you can never be a champion. Positive thoughts do not give the guarantee for your failureness, but negative thoughts always gives the guarantee that you will never be a successful. Negative thoughts will always give you a guarantee for your failureness. Ladies and gentlemen, today's topic is going to be a very informative, very interesting. It is going to empower your confidence. It is going to build your attitude. It is going to be very fruitful for pessimistic people. It is going to be a very helpful for those people who have a weak belief on themselves. Before moving further, I would like to request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel, press bell icon, and if you found that video is informative enough, you are requested to spread it among your society, among your family members, and with your colleagues, that so that maximum number of people may avail my motivations. Let's begin the actual topic. Vessel. If outside is raining, if outside there is a heavy rain, you are having a vessel with yourself. You can fill that vessel with the rain. And the size of the vessel will define that how much you can fill with the rain. The problem is not with the rain. The problem is this, that you are carrying a small size vessel with yourself, and you can fill the water of rain with that specified volume given by that vessel. So if you want to progress, if you want to success, if you are expecting good quantum of results, you need to increase the volume of your vessel. You need to increase the volume of your mind to observe things, to bring about the new ideas. Ladies and gentlemen, belief on system, that plays a very important part in our life. I had met with several people. They always have a claim with their system, with their environment, with their company, with their bosses. They always claim that due my relatives, I could not excel in my life. Due my bosses, I could not excel or I could not make a progress in my career. Due my environment, I could not have a career growth. They have such excuses. I used to say that they are believing on the system. They are not having a belief on the system. So believing on yourself, that plays an important role in your life. If you're not believing on yourself, if you're not believing on your system, it means that you're not trusting on your capabilities. In fact, you're not trusting on Allah Kareem. You're discarding the trust of Allah Kareem. Then how you can become a successful? Ladies and gentlemen, proudful moment should be only for you. I'm going to give you a tip that if you don't know about this, that either you will be failed or either you will be a successful. But I think so. I personally believe on this. That will be a really proudful for you if you failed with a very big, very huge target. So my personal advice is this, that you need to keep high targets, very high targets. You need to make the very big goal. You need to watch a very big dreams. That will be a really proudful for you if you fail with the big dreams, with the big targets, with the big goals. And that will be a really shameful for you if you failed with the very small, with the very tiny goals, very small targets. I was fascinated with a world successful personality that is called Elon Musk. Somebody asked from Elon Musk that what is the main cause, what is the main reason of his success. He elaborated that I used to make my goals, I used to make my targets for upcoming 10 years. The gentleman replied that there is nothing strange in this. Everybody make a target. Elon Musk said that listen, the important thing that is this, I make target for 10 years. Then I used to make a plan how to execute those targets within 1 year, the 10-year goals in a 1 year. So always dreams about bigger things. Always make your goals. Always set your targets. Something bigger. Many of my followers ask that what gives this belief on system? Believing on system means that you are trusting your capabilities, you are trusting on yourself, you are trusting with your environment, you are trusting your company, you are trusting on Allah Kareem. And what does give this belief system gives? It gives a birth to a child, that is called attitude. The attitude plays a very important part in our life. You need to meet with the demotivated people. You need to meet with the pessimistic people. When you will meet them, you will shake your hand with them. They will never shake their hand. Simply they will put their hand. They will be expecting from you that you will shake their hand. If you ask a question, if you ask their name, I'm talking about the demotivated people. If you ask their name, they will reply very sadly, with a very less energy, with a so disappointed attitude. They will say that, oh, my name is Asad. They will reply like this. So believing on themselves, believing on a system gives you a proper attitude. Your attitude, your style will definitely change. It will entirely change when you are trusting on yourself, when you are having a confidence on yourself. I would like to quote a wonderful example. Have you visited a zoo, or have you visited a jungle? In jungle there are a different animal. The very powerful, the very massive animal is an elephant in a jungle. The fast runner is a leopard, and the very cunning animal in jungle is a fox. But a question over here is why the king of jungle is only lion. Once somebody asked from lion in a jungle, he asked that he put the same example that in a jungle you have elephant, you have a leopard, you have a fox. Then how you are a king? The massive elephant, if he put his foot on earth, the earth used to shake. The fast runner, leopard, can run with the speed of bullet. The fox, very cunning, very good planner of the jungle. But why you are king? The lion whispered in his ear, I am the king, because I trust, I believe on myself that I am the king of jungle. So trusting on yourself, believing on yourself, that matter a lot. That can give you a guarantee of your success. There are different angles to think about anything. Different angle. You can think with a different angle. You can have a different look towards anything. Once upon a time, there was an encounter of elephant with a lion. The elephant was crossing on his pathway. He came across the lion. The elephant thought in his mind that bloody eater. I'm not talking about cheater. The elephant thought about this bloody eater. It means that this lion will be a attacker. He will eat my flesh. While one idea came in the mind of lion, that is, what is that? Lunch. A great lunch for me. So there exists a different angle to think about anything. You need to be a positive, you need to have a strong, you need to have a firm belief on you, and you need to keep a strong trust on your environment, on your system. I gives you a guarantee that success will be no more far away from you. That was it. Jazakallah.